Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. So today I am filming how to curl your hair with straighteners. So this is how I do my hair most of the time. Occasionally I do use my curlers, which I might do a video on in the future. Yes, this is how I get these sort of curls. Bit of a beachy, messy curl with my straighteners. So yeah, keep on watching and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is my hair. Sort of natural. I washed it yesterday. I did put it in a loose plait, so that's why it's a bit flicky. So what I do is I section my hair. The first section I do along, sort of just below the ear, and have a very small bit of hair out on each side. If I glance off, by the way, it's just because I've got my mirror there to look at. Oh wow, that's fun, isn't it? Oh well. So I literally get a strand of hair. I don't go too big. I sort of vary the size as I grab. And I clip it on and I just twist it round and then slowly move down. And then I do it the other way. So I get it on, I twist it towards me and I go down. So you'll probably be able to see it better when I get on the bit of higher bits of hair. But I alternate my strokes. I never really go the same way. And they're not always perfect. But especially down here it doesn't really matter. And you want to make sure you're getting all these bits right under, because otherwise they're going to be slightly longer. If you have shorter hair anyway. If you have longer hair, then that might not matter so much. But yeah, that's that bit done. So then I go to the next section, which I do just above me, sort of along my temples. This doesn't really take me very long to do anymore. I think once you get the sort of tactic, it's fairly easy. But I take the bit of hair, I clip the straightener on, twist it away from me but without moving down the hair, and then just slowly move and twist. And you see they go quite ringlety. And then this one I do towards me, so I clip it on, twist towards the front and go down. And then I just grab random sections, alternating the way I do it. I make sure, because my natural hair can be a little bit puffy sometimes, so I don't want any of that puffiness to, stick around. You see back here now I've got quite a few quite thick bits, so I just take random sections. I just go in, feel for one. Apart from that, it's very repetitive until I get sort of right to that last sort of two bits at the top, which I'll show you when I get there. And one side is normally easier to do than the other. Then this next bit I do is I just section it right at the top there and just take that right top layer of hair up. And here I go at the front, and I always start at the front. I always go away from my face, so get the bit and go away. And then I do that for the next 2 or 3 pieces. And I try and grab different sizes. so it doesn't blend too much. And then I start going forward again when I get slightly further back. And then go back to just alternating it. I always get very hot when I do my hair. So just trying to show you what I did. I clamp the hair, wrap it round, and put it down. Then we're going to go to the last section. I always get a really small bit at the front. And I try and move that one a bit quicker, so it's not so ringlety. And I do the same thing again where I go back. These bits are always in a lot smaller pieces because there's not actually as much hair here. I always move them a bit quicker. But doing these in smaller sections gives it a nicer finish, I find, for more that beachier way I want. Because obviously we're not going to leave it like it's looking at the moment. Again, get a small bit. Straight bit. And then I always check that there's no straight bits. Turn my straighteners off. Don't need them again now. And then what I would normally do, which I haven't actually got with me, is I'd hairspray when it's like this and leave it for a few minutes. But I haven't got that with me as, you know, isolation. I was thinking my boyfriends didn't think I'd need it. But once I've done that, and as you can see, it's all very defined and ringlety. Once I've hairsprayed it and it's cooled down, I will then literally just get my fingers and rummage through it all. And I always go underneath as well. There you go. That is how I do it. So yeah, that is how I curl my hair with straighteners and get these sort of beachy, messy curls. So I hope you enjoyed and try and give it a go. And I think it's just one of those things that you pick it up as you go. Like, I can do it fairly quickly now. When I started, you know, occasionally the waves wouldn't come out right. It would still go quite straight. It's just getting the hack of twisting it round and getting it right. But yeah, you know, don't get frustrated. Don't give up. You pick it up a lot easier. You sort of live and you learn. But yeah, I hope you're all still staying safe and everything. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.